Hello everyone. This is lecture 1, class 10, subject English. And this is our speaking class. We will learn about some mispronounced words in English. In our daily basis, we use certain words and we are unaware that we are pronouncing them wrong. So, today we will learn some correct pronunciation of common words that we use in our daily life. The first common word, that is woman, that we usually pronounce, but its correct pronunciation is women. Next one is comfortable, that is pronounced as comfortable, but its correct pronunciation is comfortable. Next is dengue, that is the deadly disease, that is correct pronunciation is dengue. Last word is data. Usually we pronounce this word as data, but its correct pronunciation is data. Let's have a look one more time. First word is, that is women, but we usually pronounce it as woman. That is wrong, and its correct pronunciation is women. Next word is comfortable. Usually we pronounce it as comfortable, but that is wrong because in the end the word is table, so we usually pronounce it as comfortable, which is actually wrong, and its correct pronunciation would be comfortable. Next is dengue, and we usually pronounce it as this only, dengue, but its correct pronunciation is dengue. Next is data, and we usually pronounce it as data, which is actually wrong. Next is asthma, but its correct pronunciation is asthma. Next, debris, its correct pronunciation is debris. Next, forget, and we usually pronounce it as forget. Then next one is hotel, and we usually pronounce it as hotel. So first is asthma, not asthma. Then it is debris, not debris. Next is forget and not forget. Next, not hotel, it's hotel. Then jewelry, it is jewelry, not jewelry, it is jewelry. Then realm, and we usually pronounce it as realm, which is wrong. Then it is synonym, not synonym. Then last is Wednesday, which is wrong, and its correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Let's have a look last time. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. Then it's not realm, it's realm. Then it's not synonym, it's synonym. Then it's not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. So that's all for today.